PTD is one of the main distribution centers of the Atlas Copco Group worldwide. One of the Atlas Copco Group priorities is to ensure the natural resources are used in the most responsible and efficient way possible. We in PTD strive to minimize our impact on water, energy, gas and material consumption. In PTD, we translated this ambition in 2016 into a 3-year action plan called our Sustainability Roadmap, with the goal to seriously reduce and control our energy and environmental footprint. First step in the roadmap was to reduce our energy consumption as much as possible. We invested in harvesting rainwater to reduce our external water consumption. In parallel, we also replaced the old heating boilers by newer heating technology to control and reduce our gas consumption. Both actions resulted in a 34% less city water consumption and a 10% less gas consumption compared with the previous years. But the biggest impact was realized by replacing our traditional lighting with LED lights. We have spread this investment over more than 2 years. We changed the lights in steps, area per area. In total, 660 TL lights have been replaced by LED lights with sensors. This investment reduced our electricity consumption with more than 40%.
After having reduced our energy footprint, it was time to produce green energy. So we invested in solar panels to produce a part of our electricity in a sustainable way. So we invested in 766 solar panels with a minimum capacity of 271 megawatt-hour per year. With that investment, we are able to further reduce our consumption to less as 60% of our versus our original needs. As a next step, we invested in new rolling equipment with new lithium-ion batteries. This technology is much more energy friendly, but also much more safer to reload. Every new rolling equipment which we will purchase in the future will also have these new lithium-ion batteries. Being a distribution center, of course, we use quite a lot of packing material. So our first step was to avoid plastics as filling equipment. And on top of that, we also reviewed the paper filling, where we switched to 100% recyclable paper. So all the customers can fully recycle all the material we put in their boxes.
The investment of the past 3 years already brought us an energy reduction of over -60%, and on top of that one also an improved packing strategy. We made a solid plan and then implemented accordingly. And each part of the plan had its own investment and payback. And as such, we're also very happy and proud that the results are there. And this also has been recognized by the group by winning the Environmental Award in 2019. It showed as an entity you can really make the difference by focusing on it, making a plan and implement it. Because we believe that together we can work on a better tomorrow.